Are you having problems that your Monopoly Go app is crashing or restarting and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually myself, I had the exact same problem with this before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So the first step is going to be for you to close your Monopoly Go app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So just open up your settings app, and in here we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and as you can see, it should now be taken to this page. So perfectly scroll down in here, click on storage. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load all the apps that we currently have on our phone right now. So I'm just going to keep waiting. Now when it's done, just swipe up like this until you can see the search bar up top. So click on search for Monopoly Go here, and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. And just wait a couple of seconds for it to load, and then click on the reinstall app button right here. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, by the way, but yeah, just do it if you have to, and then just wait for your Monopoly Go app to completely update to its latest version. I did this myself, and after it was done updating, I just went back into the app, and now it hasn't crashed or restarted after that, for me at least. So try this, and hopefully now it's going to be able to fix it for you as well.